Hi guys, today we are going to talk about Creative Commons. Now let's see what is in the video for today's topic. What are Creative Commons? Is Creative Commons copyright free? What does Creative Commons mean on YouTube? Is Creative Commons good or bad? And a special announcement. Creative Commons is an internationally active non-profit organization that provides free licenses for creators to use when making their work available to the public. These licenses help the creator to give permission for others to use the work in advance under certain conditions. Creative Commons is a system that allows you to legally use some rights reserved music, movies, images, and other content, all for free. CC offers free copyright licenses that anyone can use to mark their creative work with the freedoms they want it to carry. So it is free to use. Creative Commons licenses give a standard way for content creators to grant someone else permission to use their work. YouTube allows creators to mark their videos with a Creative Commons CC BY license. Other creators get to reuse your work subject to the terms of the license. There will be a part in this video that shows how to get Creative Commons videos on YouTube. The good news is that Creative Commons is a great option for bridging the gap between copyright law and open access and sharing of creative works, but it's far from perfect. Be very careful both in applying Creative Commons licenses to your own work and using works created by others that have Creative Commons licenses. First, type your heading. Second, go to Filters. And in Filters, go to Features. And in Features, go to Creative Commons. After you follow the steps, all videos load. Next is under Creative Commons license. Okay, that is the end of the video. Hope you enjoyed it. Now we have news for music lovers. We have created a new channel based on music. If you are a music lover, go and subscribe to our second channel. The link will be pinned in the comment section. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel too.